So tell me about the process of recruiting for buy side or hedge funds out of the London office.
It's very similar to the States, I have to say. So basically, there's headhunter firms that basically in your first. I mean, I got my first headhunter calls, I think, the second day on the desk.
Yeah.
And literally the first call I got was, hey, you just started, I know, but have you ever thought about joining a hedge fund? And I was like, I have never thought about this right now at this point, but maybe, sure, maybe what are you thinking? And then you meet for coffees with headhunters. You basically are put in a file. I think you're kept in a loop, and you kind of. I mean, my first year, I think I also did, to be entirely transparent here. In my first year, I did 3 processes for private equity firms as well.
Mm-hmm.
Mega cap. They're basically just like the US. They're the first ones to call you. Then you go in 6 months in, you have your interview, you have an offer for your second year, basically, right?
Did you get an offer, or did you strike out on those?
I got an offer from one mega fund and one mid-market fund. So both, one is American, one is European, but they both want me to relocate to Munich, and I did not want to move to Munich.